vibração, vibração, vipai you, water, you, batapava, como vão purifier, you ask me to sign as for that people understand of this Sunday tomorrow, for Sunday this Easter. We have to reflect by our focus, forgotten, we do our life, or focus to God, cause from God, the preparation to do something special. God is the source of all that we are, what we all to become something like a person of suffer. God is Father to journey with Him. Of His first Sunday Easter and with that of Jesus, the First Supper, we must as our Son, how we allow the Lord to guide us our life, so that all that we do is God glory, not for the Son. Because of the First Supper is to guide and protect you, the sin. This action of Jesus, the First Supper, is based on righteousness that has been developed without Good Supper now as our law, but our need is always blessed ill with us, as people always say when you say what Jesus does for us, and that's part of His responsibility. It's part of His nothing action girl. The love, based on Jesus related with the Father, and now serve with us on earth. Is really be that God can make a way out of nothing. In the possible, can make things possible. He prepared a table before His son of His enemy, God love, blessing. Psalm 23 tells us, as goodness and kindness that follow me all the days of my life. I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. The Good Shepherd may sacrifice for his sheep. One of the strong way of family life is that the parent may sacrifice for the children as the other land, not because of requirement to the opposite law. God loves the children. And if the shepherd is seen, God knows our needs before the other man need. God already knows before. God bless knows our needs goes before us to prepare the way. You are out to the shepherd of our life, and our enemy have to suffer others the same way. Our other place, the Lord will serve. God will not give us more than we cannot accept. He may back us, but we will not break. Some of us may feel that God gives us too much, than us too much. When it's at the moment of work with that our faith doesn't. We must trust in our choice and of God to the complete the same God who brought us through so much of our life will bring us through the moment var to reveal the truth, the reality that the journey that we travel with the life desire. I should live the life of faith. The mountain of promise one. We must live in present moment today. Now is for the tomorrow, for about tomorrow. When the moment now is filled with pain, passion, procrastination, not realize the dream. We may not want to deal with this situation. God is with us. God knows your prayer. He can understand your tears. All you have to do is to call to God, provide them what you want, what you need from God. Prayer is a powerful that we must use when we reflect on our vocation when God is leading us. In midst of our Father's problem, God tells us to deepen our relationship with God. God Christ the people give us a reason to stay, to say, thank the Lord for that all you do for us. My grandmother 84 McDonaldson. If you are going to pray, go to pray, then don't worry. If you are going to worry, back to worry, then don't pray. Trust God and know that God will never abandon you. My dear brothers and sisters, be confident of this, that God who began the work in you were meant to see to completion of the day of Jesus Christ from Philippines were person. Majesty brother, you man, good night. God bless you all.